In front of me is Motorola Moto G13, and today I would like to show you how you can manage app permissions on this Motorola. Firstly, open Settings. In them, scroll down and click on Privacy section. Over here. Now tap on Permission Manager and pick one of your device's features that you wish to manage. I will go with Camera. Now tap on one of your apps. I will go with Messages and select the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. If I click on don't allow, in this case I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. When you're ready, click on the back button. As you can see, Messages no longer have access to my device's camera. You can also select any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage, like Calendar. Over here you need to choose See all calendar permissions and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!